Gonna do a quick review on Cook's Kitchen measuring cup and spoon set. I got these at Rite Aid recently. I don't remember exactly when, for a buck. Rite Aid's got now at least 1 liter bass. Everything in now is cost $1. I picked it, got this there. This is what they came on. You get 6 spoons and 4 cup measuring, 6 measuring spoons and 4 measuring cups. Come in 4 different sizes. Pretty nice little measuring set. If you hang them up on a nail that way in your kitchen, or you take it apart and you can take them off and hang them somewhere in your kitchen, or you can just set the whole thing down in your drawer, kitchen drawer. I can't get this back on. Alright, it's back on there. They're pretty good. They're holding up pretty good. I've gotten some use out of them. Not had any problems with them so far. The quality seems pretty good. They're a little orange and what showed up on here. Probably because of the lighting. Get a 1/4 cup, 1/3 of a cup, half a cup, and 1 cup size measuring cups. Spoons. That's the cooking spoon, teaspoon. This is 1/4 of a teaspoon. You get half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon, half tablespoon, my fault. Then you get 1 that's a tablespoon. But they're pretty nice little measuring cups, especially what only costing $1. Pretty nice. Yeah, it's a pretty nice little measuring set, especially for what them only costing $1. It is I've got plenty of use out of them so far. I've been in the kitchen cooking and everything. This is the Cook's Kitchen measuring cup and spoon set. Like I said, I bought it at Rite Aid recently. I found them in $1 at Rite Aid. That's not too far from the house here.